नमस्कार, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे स्पेशल शो में, जिसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं मेडिटेशन यानी ध्यान के बारे में। अक्सर आपने सुना होगा कि अपनी एंजाइटी को ओवरकम करने के लिए, अपने स्ट्रेस को ओवरकम करने के लिए हमें एक्सपर्ट्स मेडिटेशन का सहारा लेने को कहते हैं। अब तो मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स भी प्रेस्क्राइब करते हैं, अलग अलग एलिमेंट से अगर आपको छुटकारा पाना है तो आपको मेडिटेशन का सहारा लेना चाहिए। लेकिन हम में से बहुत से लोगों में मेडिटेशन को लेकर कई मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं कि मेडिटेशन आखिर होता क्या है। आज हम इस स्पेशल शो में यही जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ध्यान का मतलब क्या है। और हमारे साथ हैं जाने माने स्पिरिचुअल साइंटिस्ट और पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन थेरेपिस्ट डॉक्टर न्यूटन। साथ ही डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी भी हमारे साथ हैं, जो कि एक पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन थेरेपिस्ट हैं और एक स्पिरिचुअल साइंटिस्ट भी। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। We also have a wonderful audience with us. आप सभी ने अपना समय निकाला, आप यहाँ आए। Welcome you all. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं अपने स्पेशल शो को। सबसे पहले हम यही जानना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर न्यूटन कि आखिर मेडिटेशन होता क्या है? What is meditation actually?
Actually, when we think about meditation, immediately what comes to our mind is some masters like Buddha. Buddha sitting in that Bodhi tree, leaning back, relaxedly, closing the eyes, holding the two hands together and meditating.
Yes.
Meditation is actually very simple and easy. If I have to define about meditation, I definitely quote Patanjali Maharshi, who is a spiritual master and a spiritual giant. He said, Yogaha chitta vritti nirodha. Means meditation is chitta vritti nirodha. Means our mind is a monkey mind, he said. It goes on thinking, thinking and thinking. It wanders around. It is not here and now. It always goes on thinking and thinking. Incessant flow of thoughts. Meditation is stopping these incessant flow of thoughts. Meditation is a no mind state. Simple definition of meditation is emptying the mind of all the thoughts.
Okay, बिल्कुल मन से सभी thoughts को बाहर निकालने को ही meditation कहा जाता है। Dr. Lakshmi, you know, we have this conception that meditation is for yoga masters who sit cross-legged on the mountains, and you know, is this definition right?
No, it doesn't hold good to this present day world, because everyone needs meditation. हर एक को मेडिटेशन चाहिए, क्योंकि अपने ज़िंदगी में आप इतना स्ट्रेस फील करते हैं और इतने प्रॉब्लम्स हैं हमारे लाइफ में। सो मेडिटेशन के हिसाब से हम वी कैन जस्ट रिलैक्स आवरसेल्व्स एंड वी कैन रियली फेस आवर लाइफ विथ ऑल दैट स्ट्रेंथ एंड पॉजिटिव intention.
And actually, how easy it is to learn meditation? कितना आसान होता है? एक आम आदमी मेडिटेशन की अगर परिभाषा को समझ जाता है, उसे अपनी जिंदगी में अपनाना कितना आसान है?
Actually, it is like learning piano. It's learning how to ride a bicycle. It's as easy as that, because it's only a learning process. Sadhana is required. Without sadhana, you will not be able to pick up the flute and start playing flute. It needs a certain practice. Meditation also is that way. If you practice, we'll be able to master meditation.
डॉक्टर न्यूटन, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, हमारे बहुत से मेहमान भी इस स्पेशल शो में हमारे साथ हैं, जो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं। लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम उन्हें मौका दें, क्या हम कुछ देर सभी इकट्ठे बैठकर मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं, ताकि हम आसानी से समझ पाएं कि एक्चुअली मेडिटेशन कैसे किया जाता है और है क्या?
Sure.
तो I want you to guide us.
Definitely. And the first step in meditation is Sukhasana. We have to sit very comfortably. That doesn't not mean that you need to sit in cross-legged and go to Himalayas and meditate there. We can meditate. Our home is our temple. That's the right place to start. And we don't need to really sit on the floor. We can sit in the sofa, in the chair, whatever posture that is comfortable for you, that is the right posture. Actually, posture, if it is a difficult posture in your sitting, then meditation will not happen. You will be distracted. So first step is to make yourselves very relaxed, sit very comfortably, give all the comfort to the body. So once your body is relaxed, meditation starts actually. Then you can join the two hands, because In meditation, we absorb a lot of cosmic energy. That energy is going to be recirculated in the body. So we need to interlock our fingers, join the two fingers like this, and keep it in your lap, very relaxedly.
You have to cross your legs.
Cross your legs
like
also.
this, because we are making a circuit.
A circuit in the body. If you are wearing your spectacles, we don't need spectacles during meditation because we will be closing our eyes. So the first step is Sukhasana, second step is just joining the two hands. Then third step is closing our eyes. Patanjali Maharshi said, Sukhasana, Asana, Pranayam. After closing your eyes, observe the breath. Sukha Pranayam means when you are with your breath, your mind becomes empty and silent. So we'll do this meditation for some time. As you close your eyes, just be with your breath. This is called Sukha Pranayam. Your inhalation and exhalation, just for a few moments, will be with our breath. This is called Antarmukham. Antarmukh means internalizing all your external five senses. We are going within. What happens is when you are with your in-breath and out-breath, your mind slowly and slowly becomes silent, empty, tranquil. So we need to pay attention to this silence, no mind state. This is called Dharan. Dharan means ekagrat. You are focusing on this inner silence. Then dhyan happens. Dhyan is your inward journey. It's a journey into your soul, into yourself. Then Patanjali also said Samadhi, state of Samadhi, is achieved through meditation. Samadhi means the state of consciousness where you are finding all the answers for all your questions. So when you are meditating, sitting very comfortably, joining the two hands, closing your eyes, and paying attention to your in-breath and out-breath. Nothing else is required to do. No need to visualize anything. No need to visualize any God figure or Guru figure in meditation, because your breath is your Guru. Your breath itself is your guide. No mind state is meditation. Let the thoughts come and go, but you are constantly coming back to your in-breath and out-breath. No need to chant anything during meditation, because meditation is not a mental activity, not an intellectual process. Meditation is a no mind thought state, no mind state. Just being totally silent, being with in-breath and out-breath. For a few more moments, let the meditation happen. The monkey mind goes on this way, that way. It goes on jumping around. With the breath, this monkey mind becomes a tranquil mind. Meditation is emptying the mind like an empty bowl, like a bamboo flute, like a still pond where there are no ripples, no thoughts. Slowly, slowly, as you keep on observing the breath, you can notice that quality of your breath is changing. Breath slows down. A column of breath moving in and out. So relaxing. Your breath is your link, your guide. Your body is your temple. meditation is very simple and easy. It's dropping the mind. All that chatter in the mind, all that rubbish in the mind just drops down on its own when you are constantly with your breath. Tatsangatve nissangatvam, nissangatve nirmohatvam, nirmohatve nischala chittam, nischala chitte jivan mukti. Satsangam means when you are with the truth. When we are in meditation, we are with the truth. The truth is our inner self, the soul, which is immortal, infinite, omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient. Satsangam brings nissangatvam. We will be able to disentangle ourselves from all entanglements in our life, all that enmeshments in our life will be able to detach. Nischala chittam comes when you attain this nirmohatvam. Nischala chittam is stillness of your mind. Your tranquil mind is your greatest asset, your strength. Your mind becomes so clear. Nischala chitte jivan mukti. Jivan mukti is when you are liberated from all the limitations of your fears, thought process, when you are connecting to your unlimited self, that is called jivan mukti. Moksha mukti is self-realization. When you realize yourself, who am I? What is my purpose of life? Why am I here? जीव का ध्येय क्या है? This is very simple. ABCD of meditation. A is Sukhasana, Asana. B is breath watching. C is cosmic energy absorption. D is divine spiritual experiences. When you empty your mind, just observe, notice, watch, witness what's happening in you. The body becoming light, body becoming heavy, energy current movements, different experiences, just you have to pay attention to it. Some more time, just be with your breath, watch, witness. Constantly bring your awareness back to your in-breath and out-breath. Nothing else is required to do. Stopping the mind which is constant chattering box, totally ceases. All thoughts will dissolve. Constant practice of mindfulness of breathing. Not living in the past, not living in the future, but to live in this moment, now and here. The present is our gift. Your in-breath and out-breath, it reminds you of this present moment. Being utterly present with all your awareness in this very moment. You are more than your body. You are able to watch, witness your body. You are more than your mind. You are able to watch your thoughts that are arising in your mind. You are more than your feelings and emotions, because you are able to watch your emotions. You are that witnessing consciousness. You are that observer who is observing everything in you. Last 1 minute, just be with your breath. Absolutely silent and still. Meditation is non-doing. Meditation is no mind state. Puja koti samam stotram, stotra koti samam japam, japa koti samam dhyanam, dhyana koti manolayam. 1 crore pujas are equivalent to 1 stotra. 1 crore stotras are equivalent to 1 jap. 1 crore japas are equivalent to dhyan. Meditation is your ultimate guide, which takes you to your depths of your own being. 30 seconds more. Time and again, very regularly, you can always practice this mindfulness of breathing. As Krishna told many times that your breath is your guide. Patanjali Maharshi told, your breath is your guide. Buddha told, your breath is your guide. All the masters gave the same message, the same tool, how to go within by using our breath as a tool. Another 10 seconds more. Five seconds more. Okay, my dear friends, whenever you are ready, you can place your hands on your eyes, rubbing your hands and placing them on your eyes, and slowly, slowly you can open your eyes. Whatever energy that is flowing in your fingertips will be distributed to your eyes. You can come back to this present moment, fully wide awake, conscious and alert. Let us give a big clap to the meditation that we have done.
That
Meditation.
was indeed very relaxing and very rejuvenating. अभी हमें शायद थोड़ा समय चाहिए वापस आने के लिए, इसलिए हम एक लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. आप कहीं मत जाइएगा, देखते रहिए हमारा ये स्पेशल शो जो कि है मेडिटेशन पर.